Welcome to the channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. In Queens, New York, we are taking a look at the CSX Fremont Secondary. Is a critical 2.5-mile non-electrified freight rail corridor, linking the Bronx and Queens in New York City. It serves as the key connection, enabling freight trains to bypass Manhattan while providing access between the National Rail Network and Long Island. The CSX Fremont Secondary Track project includes siding extensions and the restoration of double tracking between Calamus Avenue and 69th Place in Maspeth, Queens. This infrastructure improvement is designed to reduce congestion, enhance freight capacity, and improve operational efficiency along the corridor between Oak Point Yard and Fresh Pond Yard. And the distance. This fall 2025 photo shows the location where the line transitioned from double track to single track. The view is facing north, between Grand Avenue and Calamus Avenue. A video clip recorded in May 2026 shows the newly installed second track at the same location. Another view, looking south of Grand Avenue, shows ballast material and regulator equipment, which serves as the contractor's reporting and staging area. The newly laid second track is visible, with the 57th Avenue overpass and the Long Island Expressway in the background. South of Eliot Avenue. Is 69th Place. Between 69th Place and Eliot Avenue, there was previously a switch leading toward Fresh Pond Yard. That switch has since been removed, and the new second track now continues uninterrupted to the north. A segment of the MTA's proposed plan is currently in the design phase for the Interborough Express, a transformative 14-mile light rail line intended to connect underserved neighborhoods in Brooklyn and Queens. Portions of the route are expected to share or run alongside this freight line within the existing right-of-way. It will be interesting to see whether the project is ultimately built. Thank you for watching.